Judy and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna install in my quad for the first time this Hydra arm by Tilta. Let's go and join me. It's a bit heavy. Let's put it in the ground. Oh, it's windy here. Oop. Okay, this is our Tilta box. Oops. I think we should clean first this. So first, make sure to clean properly the surface where we're gonna put the suction cap. So you can use alcohol, it's better, and then wipe it all again with the dry cloth. Okay, I think this is okay. Now first, we're gonna get the 3 suction cup and the small part of the arm. Okay, first we plan where we're gonna put the 2 suction cup with the alignment of this. I think I'm gonna put that in the 2 last hole here. Okay. Okay, so this is my plan, my alignment, and make sure the pump will be on both of outward so that you can easily access it like this. Okay, so first we pump this, and you see this white thing here, it should be disappear. That's the indication that you need to stop. Okay, and the other one. Again. I think I better put the first one first to make sure. Okay. And then this is the washer. And then we're gonna put this, the second small suction cup, and make sure it's in the outward so that you can repump it later. Then just push it. But I noticed that this thing, the metal, it doesn't go through the hole. So if that happens, just take it out and just twist it like this. Or maybe I'm too weak for this. Yeah, I think that's okay. Okay, and then push it. Then let's put the washer. Okay, looks good now. So this one I haven't put yet. Maybe we can try now, but maybe we need to adjust it later again. Depends. Now let's get the big arm. Okay, now we get the main thing, and then we just make maybe a triangle for now, and then we adjust it later. And then my plan is like this. This. Okay. Okay, so this one you can tilt it. See, so this is I think this is good. Ugh. It's too windy. So this is my preferred set or inclination, like that. Okay, then let's put this a bit of adjustment. I think I'm happy with this. And then we put the 2 big washers. Okay. And then I want this to be a bit straight, like maybe like this. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Then let's get the Hydra arm. Oh, it's too windy. Okay, and this is the Hydra alien arm. And look here guys, this is the modification I made based on Best Boy Adam video, and I will put that here, somewhere here. Then now we need to attach this. Okay, we need to remove the washer first. Oh, be careful because it's really windy. Oh, and then I'm gonna put that on the highest hole, and then just put the washer back again on the back. And make sure it's upright. The tilta is in this direction. And if you see, it's like this. And then we put this here with washer. And this is our suspension. So this is the mount, battery mount for the V mount battery, and then we just need to put the on top here. By the way, this is also a hack from Best Boy Adam. I just copied it on my way to reduce the tension because I'm gonna use super light camera and I'm also small. So then we just put it here. Oh, looking good. Okay, now we're gonna put the RS2. Okay, I'm just taking out the plate for the RS2 because I tend to forget the plate, so I keep them always together. And then now we're gonna put the plate in the adapter, in the base plate power adapter. And then my little handy tool. Oop. And then we put the RS2. Okay. And let's attach this to our suspension. Ooh. Okay, make sure you lock it here. Okay. Okay, looks good. And then now we're gonna attach the V-mount battery. So we're gonna put the battery. So what I'm using now is Nano One from FX Lion. So they call it V-mount battery. Oops. That the other side. Okay. And the next thing, you get this D-top. And then we plug in here and this D-top in here. Yeah, okay. And now looking good. Oh, my hot. It's blooper. Okay, in your accessory pouch, just get the A key and then let's secure all the washers. Make sure it won't twist anymore. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. This one too, still loose. Yeah, okay, this one. Okay, that's it. And now I'm gonna put my guinea pig camera. So this is an iPhone in a bisque cage, so I always put this first if I'm not sure about this before I put my Sony A1 in here in case something fell off or anything, so I'm just too scared. So for now I'm just gonna use this one here. Okay, so I just unlocked everything and then position it so that I don't get confused because the arm or the gimbal is confusing for me, even the plate. Okay, it's correct. So and then I will unlock again for the balancing. So 3. Okay, so they are both unlocked now, and then we just turn it on and we do some testing. Let's go! Okay, it's safe to go. After few practicing in iPhone, now I have a little bit of courage to put my Sony A1 and here how it looks like. Oh no, let's try it in a flat surface road. Wow, this looks much better, isn't it? Please comment down below if you still want to see more of my test footage using Sony A1. That's all, folks.
Thank you very much.
Subscribe now.